Welcome to another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV.
Hi, welcome everybody to another weekly update. It's May the 28th after the market closed on Friday, May the 26th. Markets are closed in the US, which is the market we look at tomorrow for Memorial Day. And I think it's actually a holiday in the UK as well that coincided this year. So we're ahead of the game for when they open again on Tuesday. So here's where we catch up on the very big picture. We want to look at the overall trend of the stock market because that's where your pension is. And it's also for shorter term people who are looking at trading short term. This is the overall direction of the market is what affects your individual trades. It's funny, I send out this video and every now and again it gets in the hands of people who perhaps didn't know what it is or why they're getting it, and even though they signed up for it, and they say I'm not interested in the stock market, and which is really quite a nonsense because everyone's destiny is wrapped up in the stock market. People are trying to pay off their mortgages through endowments that are using the stock market. The pension plans, they pay through to their office or indirectly or through the cute little investment plan that your bank sold you. All that money is going into the stock market. So it pays to know what's going on with the stock market, because if it's going south, I'm going to be able to tell you a lot sooner than when it actually does go south. So this is useful information for anyone, whoever you are, whoever you got this video. The reason we look at the US markets is because the US markets control pretty much everything, and that pretty much is the benchmark index of planet Earth. So the S&P 500 is the key stock market we look at, the key index, and here it's described as the SPX when we look at these charts. And we see the squiggly lines here is the chart, the actual price of the chart going up and down. And I also insert these smoother lines, which are moving averages, which really just kind of smooth out that jagged line action, and also quite significant to see if the stock market is above or below average. So here is the bull market that began in 2009. It's sort of swept on higher and it's just powering on ahead for its brand new leg. There's really no sign, as I've been commentating on, it seems like forever now. Over half a year this thing just keeps going up and up and up and up, way above its now dramatically rising moving averages heading north, all in the back of the supposed Trump reflation rally that Trump is going to bring inflation back and all the infrastructure spending and so on. I think it's great all the plans he's got and everything, but he's not made any promises about stock market, and spending a lot of money on infrastructure didn't work that well in the 1930s, and I've yet to see why it will work here. But what we look at is just purely the price action. The stock market does what it does, and I obey that. That's what's in charge here, not what I think, because this is going to tell us when. However, good or bad or wise or foolish you think the market's being, this is going to tell you when that's going to happen. It's not happening yet. As I said last week, there's no reason we want to think that the trend is nothing but up, and it just powered up all week, hitting new highs on last 2 days of the trading week. In fact, it's kind of this whole little channel here of support there and resistance there, and it broke up from resistance and heading out of a new box there. So long-term trend is up. It's in a bull market, and the short-term trend is still up. And I wouldn't be getting concerned about this market until it fell below its 50-day again, and even then I'll be looking closely at it. Speak to you next time.
Thanks for watching another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV. Be sure to visit wallstreetinformer.com, where you can become a member for free and gain instant access to the secrets of market millionaires via the Wall Street Informer Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at wallstreetinformer.com.